So excitement is building here in Georgina, especially in Sutton along High Street. A much long-awaited project is moving forward, and that's the reconstruction of High Street, both underground and above ground. The High Street Streetscape and Infrastructure Redevelopment Project in Sutton is a major investment in the heart of our community, one that will embrace the look, feel, and function of this special part of Georgina.
We're going to be revitalizing the full downtown Sutton and all of High Street. We'll be upgrading road surfaces, sidewalks, lighting, and benches, making the street safer, more accessible, and welcoming for pedestrians. Beneath the surface, we're replacing aging infrastructure like storm sewers and water mains to ensure long-term reliability. One of the major upgrades is relocating hydro wires underground from River Street to West Street, removing the visual clutter and opening space for trees and streetscape features. A small but exciting part of the plan is the makeover of Market Square. We're transforming a little pocket of the road into a cozy public plaza. This project is planned to be delivered in 3 phases over the next 2 years. We'll begin with the underground work, then move our way to the surface level improvements. We know that construction brings challenges, and we are committed to minimizing those disruptions.
What excites me is the transformation, being able to address kind of the aging infrastructure, being able to see it get looked after while creating a beautiful, rejuvenated downtown. They worked on several downtown revitalizations, such as Walton Street, Port Oak, downtown Lindsay, Main Street, Unionville. Clear communication with stakeholders is vital, and ensuring that they are aware of what is planned to be done and how is planned to be done.
So I know construction is never pleasant for anyone, whether you're a business owner, whether you're somebody wanting to shop along High Street. We are working on plans as we move forward with the detailed design on helping those businesses, communicating out to people about High Street is still open for business. We'll be looking at phasing of construction. We'll be looking at alternatives for parking issues. And we understand that this will be some short-term pain for some long-term gain. So stay tuned. Lots of changes happening. We're looking for your support as this project moves through, supporting the local businesses, both during construction and post-construction. Watch for the changes that are coming.